In plant pathology, post-harvest fungal disease of food crops are very important. The cultivators, when they are going to be concentrated, and they maintain the fields from the seedling, seed germinating, field. After harvesting also, it is very important to control the diseases, particularly. So in this aspect, whereas food crops, those are going to be concentrated for this manner, post-harvest fungal diseases of food crops. Let us discuss about this aspect. The harvesting fungal disease of food crops, losses due to post-harvest disease may occur at any time during post-harvest handling from harvest to conceptions. Losses due to post-harvest disease are affected by great number of factors. Commodity types, cultivate susceptibility to post-harvest disease, post-harvest environment aspects also going to be produced. This can also produce the maturity, ripeness stages. Treatments used for disease controlling. Post-harvest hygiene also very important for the controlling. Post-harvest disease of fruits and vegetables are caused by fungal and bacterial diseases. Many of the fungi which cause post-harvest disease belongs to the phylum Ascomycota, the associated fungi anamorphic. In the case of Ascomycota, asexual state of fungi is a more frequently in post-disease than the sexual state of fungus. Here we can see very easily in this aspect, the mango anthracnose, grape. So this can also causes by the Polytrotrichum, Botrytis, and some of pineapple. And here we can also see the particular how these are going to be infected to that particular organs. Whereas cucurbits also here, grey mold, rhizopus root, Botrytis, brinjal rot also seen, Fusarium, Alternaria, grey molds. Through the Fusarium species, Alternaria and Botrytis. Potatoes also skin spots, skin scalps, bacterial soft rots also. This is also same in after particularly completion of stage. Some of the this is also due to the temperature fruit crops, grey molds, blue molds, rhizopus roots due to the Penicillium Botrytis, stone fruits also, brown rot, grey molds, blue molds, alternaria roots. Here also Monilinia, Botrytis, Penicillium alternaria, and subtropical fruits, citrus fruits also seen due to the causing of this Penicillium alternaria species. So here also we can see post-harvesting if you could fail. In time marketing, abiotic factors, and many of other aspects. Immature harvesting also causes like these types of many diseases. This can also decrease the marketing value and as well as the strength of disease within a very much short period. We can see variant types of foods which are going to be causes. How to manage this particular post-harvesting fungal disease means. Harvesting and as well as handling also very important factor to maintain the quality of the harvesting aid. Harvest of vegetables, fruits should be done at the proper stage, keeping in mind the distance of the market. Curing of roots, bulbs, and tubers of effective means the post-harvest decay and water loss right at the farm levels. Curing of roots, particularly here, packaging also one of the important things. The vegetable are cleaned, trimmed, pre-treated, pre-rolled, and packed in bags. Management, harvesting and handling is one of the important management aspects. Harvesting of fruits should be done at the proper storage keeping in the mind the distance of the market. The packaging means that particularly fruits are clean, trimmed, and treatment should be used in the package of the bags and transfer films also used. And the important thing is transportation. In time should be maintained qualitatively and very safely we have to be reach to this particular yield to the targeted markets. It's necessary to modify the long distance transport vehicle by introducing more ventilations, reduces temperatures, increasing relative humidity, improving loading, unloading systems. In case of air temperature and relative humidity also should be maintained, optimize it to this particular related to the crops. High temperature, accelerated respiration, these fruits must be cooled quickly to remove their field heat. This is in several ways by spraying or immersing in water kept in temperature of about 0 degrees. By vacuum treatment also suggested. Thank you very much for this aspect.